Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Africah Harrigan, and today I will be discussing a product that I recently discovered and absolutely fell in love with, and that is the MAC Cosmetics Mineralize SkinFinish Natural Powder. As we continue on in this video, I will explain to you why I fell in love with this. In the meantime, this video is sponsored by Louisa Jewelry. I was really excited when they reached out to me. I love their jewelry. I am a fan of Louisa, and they sent over to me these gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, hoop earrings that I absolutely fell in love with. You can get a discount. I will link all of the information in my description box below. You know, type in Louisa, just click the link. It'll take you straight to the website, and you can shop some more. What I love about it is that even if you don't click the link and you just go to analuisa.com, you can still get my discount. Just type in Africah 10 and you will get a 10% discount off Louisa. Go ahead, ladies, shop till you drop. So it's affordable. The lowest price I think starts at $39. And you have a large variety of earrings, necklaces, rings, and of course, gorgeous chokers as well. So I kind of love the fact that the materials that they're using are light. It feels really light in my ears. I don't feel weighed down. And I don't know about you, but I can't really wear too much cosmetic jewelry because it starts to bother my ears. And I've been wearing this all week and it has not bothered my ears, not even one time. So obviously they're making this jewelry off of some really good materials. So you know, I always talk about packaging. I love packaging. I love how companies package items. And this is the box that it came in, of course. And it says, thank you, Louisa. Please, made from 100% recycled paper. Please continue the cycle. So they expect you to go ahead and recycle it. Love that. And I love how it says something good for the earth. Now, why is this important? It's important because they said we had a dream. Making jewelry that doesn't come at Earth's expense. Very important. And it happened thanks to you. Breathe easy. We are carbon neutral. I love how they really and truly have a push for sustainability, you know, recycling, and not damaging our Earth, because God knows we don't need any additional damages being done. We just need to treasure it. So it came well packaged inside of these beautiful pouches. The pouches feel like it's made out of quality material, by the way, because when you open it, it has these really cute buttons. They snap back. And when I'm finished wearing them, I can actually just take them off and just store them back inside of the pouches. And I love that. And you know, it's even great for traveling. When you're traveling, you can just store them back in the pouches. So how does it make me feel right now? Right now, I just feel comfortable. I don't even feel like they're in my ears. Don't mind you see them dangling and shining and shimmery. Don't mind that. I can hardly feel them in my ear. They're really, really light. And I love that about it. My ears are not bothered by it. I don't feel like I just need to take them off. I'm comfortable. I am really, really comfortable wearing these earrings right now. Okay, so once again, don't forget Africah 10. Go to analuisa.com, Africah 10 for your discount. Please go ahead and shop. Let me know what you guys selected, of course. Okay, so let's get into MAC Mineralize SkinFinish Natural Powder. I'm in love with this. You know that I've worn this quite a few times. Like, the finishing powder is the last thing, or second to the last thing, that I'll put on for my powder, my makeup finishing, and then I'll put on a spray, the finishing spray. But this was so light that I barely felt it on my face. And not only did I feel it, but it just really neutralized and brought all of my blush and highlights and foundation and concealer all in together really, really nicely. So this is how I use it. Just put it in like that, and you just put it like that, a little bit on the nose, a little bit to the side, and boom. I must say also that with this mineralized powder, There were times that I had went out and I didn't even use foundation or concealer. And I just put this on my face. I just use, you know, moisturizer, primer, and then I just put this on. And do you know that my face looked really nice and smooth? And it felt so lightweight on my skin that I hardly felt like I could feel anything. It felt like I was barely wearing anything at all. Now, with some of the other finish powders, excuse me, to me it doesn't quite do the job sometimes. It stays transparent, but it makes you look maybe a little bit too light, or it kind of discolors your overall pigmentation, and I'm not really into that. I like something that's, if you say you're transparent, if you say you're good for my skin, then I want to go with the things that you're saying and marketing your product with. Just like Ana Louisa here with these gorgeous sustainable earrings. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I just love the affordability of the jewelry, because this is great for someone who is working. This is great for someone who's a mom, but still want a little bit of pizzazz, but not the glamour and the glitz. Now, you know me, I love glamour and glitz, especially if I'm going to functions and events. I love some big dangling diamond earrings or something like that. But it's not every day I'm going out to events like that. There are moments and times like now where I'm just at home with my daughter, where we will go to the playground, where, you know, if I'm going to work tomorrow, I just need something that's casual and fun and light and welcoming. And I feel like the Ana Louisa earrings right now is doing that for me, just like the MAC Cosmetics Mineralize SkinFinish powder. These two products are just amazing. I just love it. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know it's such a quick video, but listen, if you go out and you try the Ana Louisa jewelry, don't forget to type in Africa 10. I will leave my link in the description box below. Let me know what you brought, or let me know what interests you. If you are more interested in the earrings or the necklace or the chokers or the rings, they're all so nice. They're all really beautiful. And I just love the fact that, you know, their sustainability, their affordability. It's not that, you know, we don't always have to have $1 million to look like $1 million. And that's what I love about the Ana Louisa jewelry, because I feel like $1 million right now. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Africah Harrigan. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment box below. I'm specifically curious to know whether or not you're interested in this, and what did you purchase from Ana Louisa. So definitely let me know as well in the inbox below. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that you can be notified every time I have a new video or upload one. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Africah Harrigan. Stay beautiful.